So another type of setup. Let me ease into it. If you ask Runner what's his favorite Nikes of all time, it's the purple Jordan 4s. And I thought I was going to be able to get these, and then I found out these are Travis Scott Friends and Family Edition only, and these damn things are $30,000 per foot. So these are like $60,000 shoes, and your boy Runner's never going to do that because that's just crazy. Because I would go buy a Toyota Supra definitely before this, and I'm also talking about the 1994 version of the Toyota Supra, not the new one. Albeit I would take both of them. Either of them are pretty cool. But check out your Nike chart. Now, you remember last stream when we were talking about rocket science of Wyckoff turned into like super simple, let's not overcomplicate the world. This is your down draw forming a support range or a accumulation range or a distribution range, but it's probably accumulation considering the size of this down draw from a peak, right? That's what I'm looking at. Now, with that being said, you remember if you study that, it was a really good stream, and I meant to clip it, guys. I've just been super, super busy. But there's like your resistance order block, and then this is kind of like your support, what we've got so far. And now we know that we're going to be chopping in between these for a while, right? And you even have like mid-range levels here that you could play out if you want to be like a super awesome chartist. We can do like yellows here. Yellows or oranges, doesn't matter. You can change, by the way, you can change all these rainbow trends colors. You can put any color you want. You want to do it grayscale, go right ahead. Thought about doing a grayscale for some colorblind people, but I can't see it right. So if you need it, holler at your boy. I'll hook you up, but you've got to tell me the color codes you want. But anyway, this is starting to look like we're going to catch an actual trend change in real time. Resistance pump, resistance kinda, and we're starting to get some buy action. And I set an alert here today, or I set an alert here last week at like $91 because I wanted to see if it would break it. And today it actually broke above it, and my alert started going off. So some other stuff started kind of like going crazy. Sorry, my phone was going off, and I'm gonna see if this does like another leg down into resistance. But I'm really interested in the Nike chart. Really interested. Because this is kind of also the setup when we talked about like those automaker trades, like the forward charts and stuff. This is the forward chart. It's just not jumped across the creek yet. And I don't think this is a creek yet. If you put a gun to my head and told me to be a fortune teller and you asked me what the moon phase was, I would think that would be it. It would be another leg. That's what I think. SOS, up and out, right? That's what we're looking for. Regardless of what the play is, if it's the all-time, I don't have to worry about the SOS right now. That's the point. I think we're catching the bottom turn. And if we get the bottom turn, that's 13% to the lower band there. That's 30% there. And that's 44% if we come close to the top. Now, with that being said, I don't care if this breaks up to 150. If I can grab it at 90 and sell it at 115, rockstar trade. You just did spot trade, double digits on a multi-huge asset, and you can take profits directly off into your Jordan shoes that you want to buy. So maybe I'm wrong. Maybe this is just redistribution and it keeps going north, south. I don't know, but this is what I'm actively watching. So that's some examples of the stuff I used to watch live, some past examples, or I'm sorry, that's some examples of like rainbow setups in the past, rainbow in the present, and then how we think about doing trades in the future.